The government is to engage the entertainment sector. This as the lockdown continues nearing a year. The announcement was made by Prime Minister Andrew Holness in the House of Representatives yesterday as he paused his presentation to directly address the sector.
We understand the hurt and suffering. Many have lost significant resources. So we are going to have to make an allocation. I do plan to call in the leaders of the industry. And I don't know, I am not designating anyone as leader of the industry. We will put out a call. People who want to come are free to come. Those who are established, we will speak to them. But we want to have an engagement because we see our music and our culture as a part of our economic recovery.
The Prime Minister also made a commitment of well-needed capital investments for the industry.
What the pandemic has revealed is that we need to reconfigure our society. We need to sit with the stakeholders and say we can build a new Jamaica, a Jamaica in which your entertainment can be accommodated. And if you want to party from 5 a.m. to 5 a.m. the next day, well, let us find a space for you to do that. But you should not be disturbing the nurse who has to get up at 5 a.m. to go to KPH and work. And it is a conversation that we need to have without anybody saying that we're fighting dancehall or fighting this or fighting that.
Reacting to the announcements, Kamal Banki, chairman of Dream Entertainment, says the focus on the industry is long overdue.
So the Prime Minister made comments in Parliament yesterday about investing in the music, Jamaican music, investing in dancehall, which I assume means all the physical space and spaces. And those things are long overdue, but most welcome. We have been in our events industry fighting for, recognition from the business community as a formal industry. Dream Entertainment, a company that I chair, anytime, we speak to media or business or corporate or whatever, we always start with data. We try to tell people about the economic impact of what we do. We try to, basically show people that, what we're doing here in Jamaica in terms of our events and twinning it with tourism and all of those things has huge economic benefit for the country. And through a lot of the work that we've been doing over the past couple of years, although it's been hijacked by COVID, it has really made huge economic gains for our society and, each individual, not just us as promoters, but everybody associated with the industry, from the musicians themselves, the DJs, the pan chicken man, the vendors, the production people, lighting, security guards, everybody, transport providers. This is a huge ecosystem of an industry that we need to hug up, treat as brand Jamaica, and invest in it and put it out there to the world.
The Prime Minister also shared that the government is hoping to work with partners to rethink the entertainment industry coming out of the pandemic, adding that the events have been at ground zero for the spread of the pandemic. The ban on events will remain closed until May 4. I'm Daytran reporting for ePrime.